The Topcoder Marketplace is where a global community of experts works with businesses like yours to produce amazing results. The experts are the Topcoder community, nearly 1 million of the top designers, developers, and data scientists from almost every country in the world. And the fastest, easiest way to tap into this expertise is through Topcoder Connect. Topcoder Connect is a web app that guides you through crowdsourcing your app design and development projects, from defining your requirements to receiving final deliverables. Connect also keeps you up to speed along the way, so you always know what the Topcoder community is working on, what's been completed, and what happens next. Log in and click the Start a New Project button to begin. Give your app a name, select the appropriate devices, and choose the type of work you're looking for. Select Design if you're looking to turn your app requirements into a multi-screen visual design that aligns with your brand standards. Choose Design plus Development if you're ready for the Topcoder community to design your app as well as turn the final design into a production application. Now it's time to define the feature requirements of your app. If you've already documented your requirements, simply upload your specifications. If you haven't yet documented your requirements, or want to check for things you may have missed, click into the interactive guide. Browse the library of common app features and add them into your project requirements with a click. Add as many features as you'd like. Once you've selected all the standard features you need, add additional features that make your app unique. Simply define a new feature and tell the Topcoder community what you're looking for. Next, Topcoder Connect guides you through a mood boarding process to define the visual look and feel of your app. You can also upload your documented brand style guidelines. And lastly, if you're looking for both design and development of your app, tell the Topcoder community how you'd like your app to be built. No questions are required, so don't worry if you're unsure about the details. The Topcoder community will help refine your app requirements once the project starts. Click the Kick Off Project button to put the wheels in motion. Your new project is displayed on your Connect dashboard along with the current status and next steps. Co-pilots are Topcoder community members who guide your project through the crowdsourcing process, and co-pilots begin reviewing your project as soon as you submit it. Within 24 hours, you'll receive a notification that a co-pilot has accepted your project and is ready to start working on it. Click on your notifications to jump into Connect messaging and say hello to your co-pilot, inquire about next steps, or ask about questions you were unsure of during the requirements definition. Your co-pilot will help you get to the right level of detail on functional and technical requirements before work begins, to ensure the completed app meets your exact needs. Next, your co-pilot atomizes your project into crowdsourcing challenges for the Topcoder community, creates a project plan, and posts a time and cost estimate to your project timeline in Connect. Click to approve your estimate and get the community started on your project, or message with your co-pilot if you have questions. As soon as you've approved your estimate, the Topcoder community gets to work, and your timeline keeps you up to speed on their progress. Your original project requirements are always archived within your project in Connect, and if you need to expand or adjust requirements, simply message your co-pilot. All messages between you and your co-pilot are also archived within your project. During the design concepts phase of your project, the community submits preliminary designs for your app, and Connect notifies you as soon as they're ready for review. Scroll through the design submissions to see the different options you can choose from, and to get a feel for the innovation taking place within the community. It's not uncommon to see new ideas that can help refine the vision for your app. Click on an image for a larger preview as well as to provide feedback. Your comments help the Topcoder community understand what you like and what to adjust, and community members can respond to your feedback with questions of their own before they begin refining designs. A few days later, you'll receive final design submissions based on your feedback. Your co-pilot helps you select the winning designs and also works with you to direct any final fixes you'd like, such as adding elements from one winning submission to another. Now it's time to move on to development of your app. Depending on the scope of your app, your co-pilot runs crowdsourcing challenges for the community to build the front end and back end of your app, integrate with APIs, review and assemble completed code, and conduct bug hunts. Your co-pilot posts weekly status reports to keep you abreast of the community's progress and next steps. As crowdsourcing challenges are completed, Status reports often include links to prototypes, so you can see functioning components of your app. And because your app is being built by a global community of experts, your Copilot can run simultaneous challenges for different types of work, which gets your app across the finish line faster. And your complete project history is archived in Connect, so you can come back anytime to revisit the original requirements, messaging, timeline, and deliverables. That's Topcoder Connect, the fastest, easiest way to tap into the expertise of the Topcoder community and crowdsource app design and development projects. Try it today at connect.topcoder.com.